This is my friend Jack.
Hi, Jack. I'm Linda.
This is my friend Jack.
Hi, Jack. I'm Linda. This is my brother Bob. This is my brother Bob.
This is my sister Cindy. This is my sister Cindy.
This is my father, Mr. Harris. This is my father, Mr. Harris.
This is my mother, Mrs. Harris. This is my mother, Mrs. Harris.
This is my teacher, Ms. Watson. This is my teacher, Ms. Watson.
This is my student, Carrie. This is my student, Carrie.
This is my friend, Mary Jones. This is my friend, Mary Jones.
This is my boss, Mr. Ritter. This is my boss, Mr. Ritter.
This is my coworker, Penny Pitcher. This is my coworker, Penny Pitcher. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.